Hi, welcome to Thiru Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Spring Boot dependency injection. How we can perform dependency injection in Spring Boot applications. Okay, first we will see about Spring how we can provide. Okay, dependency injection is same in Spring applications and Spring Boot applications. But when coming to configuration, configuring dependency injection in Spring application is little bit tough when compared to Spring Boot applications. How we'll see now. Okay. Yeah. What is dependency injection? Dependency injection is a design pattern. Okay. In simple words, I'll say one sentence. Okay. Dependency injection is nothing but injecting the depending object into dependent object is called dependency injection. See we'll see the uh, sentence what Spring provided. Okay, dependency injection is a process whereby objects define their dependencies, that is the other objects with which they work. Okay, only through constructor arguments to a factory method. Arguments to a factory method are properties. Okay, it is a process they are saying. I'm not telling this sentence. I have copied this sentence from Spring documentation itself. I will show you that later. Okay. What they are saying, dependency injection is a process whereby the objects define their dependencies only through constructor arguments to a factory method or properties. Three ways. Okay. The container then injects those dependencies when it creates the bean. Whenever the container creates bean, it is injecting. Okay. This process is fundamentally the inversion of nothing but inversion of control. Okay, inversion of the bean itself, controlling the instantiation or location of its dependencies on its own by using the direct construction of the classes or the service locator pattern. What is service locator pattern means? This is the other design pattern which they are using in Spring development. Okay, the whole process we can call it as inversion of control, they are saying. Okay, controlling the instantiation or location of its dependencies on its own by using the direct construction of the classes. Okay, I think you understand. Still, if you are not getting, see, please go through the Spring Boot dependency injection documentation so that you will get clear idea. Okay, I will provide you the link in description box also. Okay, then next, dependency injection is exists in two major variants. One is constructor based and second one is setter based dependency injection. See, they mentioned in two ways only, constructor based and setter based dependency injections. We'll see one by one. Constructor based dependency injection, how we can inject the dependencies through constructor. Okay, we will see now. Constructor based dependency injection is accomplished by the container invoking a constructor with a number of arguments, each representing a dependency. We'll see the arguments in constructor. We'll pass the arguments in constructor, each representing a dependency. Okay, we'll see example now so that you can get more understanding how we will send arguments. See, it is the simple movie listener class. Okay, here we are providing a private final variable for the movie finder class. This the movie finder is the class that we are for that movie finder we are creating a property here. Okay, then we are creating constructor for simple movie listener. This is the constructor. In constructor we are passing the movie finder as argument. Okay, see, like this we can assign a variable movie finder. This dot movie finder equal to movie finder. This is the way we need to pass through constructor. We can pass the dependency injection through constructor. We can write the code like this. Okay, then next, whatever the business logic you want to write, we can write. Okay, next, see another example. Okay, in here, in previous slide we have seen only one argument in constructor. Here we are passing two arguments. Okay, see the example for the configuration in XML file. Spring XML file, we need to provide configuration like this. Okay, in Spring Boot there is no XML configuration. In Spring I am saying, okay, bean ID. See here, thing 2, thing 3. This is the arguments, and thing 2 and thing 3 are the class names. Okay, here observe, forget about the bean ID and all. Thing 1, constructor argument reference bean2, constructor argument reference bean3. Like this we need to provide for those thing 1 and thing 2. We need to provide that beans, we need to provide bean information, right? Like this we need to provide. This is the bean creation, and this in this way we need to provide the constructor argument values. Okay, see another example. Here we are passing the simple types, I mean integer and string. In previous we have seen that class types. Here we are providing simple types, primitive types we are providing. Same as previous only, but here we are creating that integer property and string property, and we are passing those values in constructor. Okay, see for this simple properties how we need to provide the configuration in XML file, we'll see. I'll see here. This way we need to provide constructor argument type, we need to provide here in Spring configuration file. Okay, type int and value we need to provide, type string and value, or else, or constructor argument index also we can provide, either type or index. See here, this is the type. Index means first is first and second one is second, like this. See here, index 0 is integer value, right? Integer argument we are passing. Second one is string. See, index 1 is string value, we need to provide like this. Okay, then setter based dependency injection. Setter based dependency injection is accomplished by the container calling setter methods. How we can define means, we are container calling the setter methods on your beans after invoking the no argument constructor or a no argument static factory method to instance or bean. After calling the no argument constructor or no argument static factory methods, it will call a setter based dependency injection methods, I mean setter methods. Okay, we'll see now. Next, example for this setter based dependency injection. See here, simple movie listener, same class. Here we are providing the property for movie finder class, and here see set movie finder. This is the method name we need to provide like this, with starting with set. Okay, setter method, then argument we are passing movie finder, same. Okay, the setter method we need to provide like this in whenever we go with Spring applications. Dependency injection we need to provide like this. Okay, next, constructor based or setter based dependency injection. Which one is better? Uh, you can implement the setter based injection on your own. I'm not discussing about this here. Okay, which one is better, the constructor based or setter based? What Spring is expressing, Spring telling is we can mix the constructor based and setter based dependency injections. It is good to rule of thumb to use constructors for mandatory dependencies and setter methods for setter methods or configuration methods for optional dependencies. Okay, we can mix up whenever we are going with Spring or Spring Boot. Which type of dependency injection do we need to use? Whenever you get this type of questions, we can mix up. Simply we can say mix up. Okay, we can go with constructor based and setter based. Both we can use in single applications or single project based on the situation. Okay, the next, thank you, and we'll see one example by using Spring Boot application. Okay, see, this is the simple demo application. Okay, here I have created okay, fine, I'll run and I'll tell you. It's just normal. I didn't take any web dependency or and all. Okay, simple application I have, Spring Boot application I have created, and one more vehicle class I have created. Here I have taken the, I'll show you, Lombok dependency to avoid creating setters and getters. Dependency Lombok I have imported. Other than that, nothing is there. Okay. See, in vehicle class, I have taken the vehicle ID only. That is the one property I have taken. And other one is I have this auto-ride commented to provide that constructor based injection. Okay. I have created that car class property here, private property, and provided constructor for vehicle class. In constructor, I have passed that car class property as argument. Okay, I have provided one system.out.println statement to see the execution, whether it is creating the object or not and all. I have provided the one method, show method I have provided. In that I have called the car class hello method. Okay, this is the vehicle class. In car class I have provided simple constructor and hello method I have given. Okay, this hello method we are calling from vehicle class. Okay, see, for that we need to create object, right? From container we need to call that car class or vehicle class, whatever you want to call, we have to call, right? For that purpose I have created, this is not required for time being. Okay, I have created vehicle class reference and context dot get bean. Here Spring application dot run method is returning the application context container instance. From context we can call our beans, context dot get bean of vehicle. From here we are calling that hello method from vehicle class, right? That's why I am giving the vehicle class object. From vehicle I am calling that vehicle class show method. From here it will call the car class hello method. Okay, I think you can understand my coding. You understand my coding. I am running the application, Spring Boot application, running yes. Okay, see, first car class is a for car class it is created object, then vehicle class object is created, then car class hello method is called. See, from vehicle first it is called created object for car class. See, here in constructor we have provided car class statement, then vehicle class object is created, then it is calling the car dot hello method. See here car class hello method is called, executed. Okay, same thing in Spring Boot. Sorry, here we have seen the constructor based dependency injection. Okay, same thing we can provide. Sorry, this is not required. I'm commenting this one. I'm commenting the @auto_wired. Okay, we'll see. I'll run the application once. If we'll see how it is executed, so that we can get if any exceptions came. See, in Spring Boot directly we can avoid providing the constructor. Direct, we have created the property for car class and annotated with @auto_wired. Then directly we are calling the car.hello method by using the car property. Then you may get a doubt, what is auto wiring? This is the one more interview question. Okay, auto wiring is nothing but a powerful mechanism in Spring. It helps to inject the objects, helps you automatically to inject the dependencies. Okay, this is the by type, by name, constructor and auto detect. 4 types of auto wiring is available. We'll see in next classes. Okay, later we will see this is about dependency injection in Spring framework. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.